Hello YouTube, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit all so you can get all my videos. Please leave me a thumbs up, it'll put a big smile on my face. Don't forget to also share this video with friends and family. Today I have a great video for you. We're going to talk about cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about which is the king of the coin. Is it going to be Bitcoin or is it going to be Ethereum? I think you're going to like what I'm going to be talking to you about. We're going to analyze an article by Bloomberg, and we're also going to talk about some predictions on the Bitcoin and Ethereum to see which one is going to be the king of them all. Let's take a look at this article from Bloomberg Wealth. The title of the article is regarding cryptocurrencies, and it says, "Crypto Shakeout Stirs Debate on Ether's Shot at Usurping Bitcoin." So this article caught my interest because it talks about two important things. Goldman Sachs evaluated Bitcoin and Ethereum and looked at the big potential on both of these cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency had a pretty bad month in the month of May, and it took a pretty big hit. And so if we look at this article, it says the resilience of Ether in May's cryptocurrency has put the spotlight back on the idea that the second largest digital token could one day overtake Bitcoin by market value. Let me know in the comments below if you think Ethereum or Ether can overtake Bitcoin. And let's take a look at the end to see what my prediction would be. Right now, the largest virtual currency or cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin, is more than twice as big as Ethereum, but the gap is narrowing by about 350 billion in May, courtesy of one of Bitcoin's worst drops. And Ethereum also dropped, but it wasn't as big. We'll take a look at how much these cryptocurrency dropped in the month of May. But this has caused a big debate because the fans of Ether are now saying that the popularity of this blockchain, as well as the ongoing upgrade to boost the efficiency and the affiliated Ethereum network, will overtake Bitcoin. Now, the co-founder of blockchain software technology company Edge and Node stated that Ethereum will likely exceed Bitcoin at some point in the future, as Ethereum will be superior when it comes to innovation and developer interest. But she also mentioned that investors should still be allocating their capital into both of these tokens, both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cathie Woods were among those who highlighted Ethereum's potential recently, and more broadly, interest in virtual currencies has expanded beyond Bitcoin. As I mentioned earlier, cryptocurrencies had a really tough month in the month of May, and we can see this by its big drop. This is a very nice chart that goes back to the year 2018, starting in March, and it looks at every month from each year. The top graph is Bitcoin monthly change, and the red graph is Ethereum's monthly change. And what I wanted to point out and highlight is this change right here. That let me go ahead and zoom in on this. As you can see, in the month of May, we had a huge drop in Bitcoin, but look at the comparison with Ethereum. The drop was definitely significantly bigger with Bitcoin as compared to Ethereum. So what analysts are predicting is that Ethereum will hold its value a lot more than Bitcoin. So the big important news that came out last week in a report from Goldman Sachs is that their two top strategists wrote that Bitcoin's first mover advantage appears fragile, adding that there's a high chance it will eventually lose its crown as the dominant digital store of value to another cryptocurrency with greater practical use and technological agility. They said that Ethereum seems to be the likely candidate to surpass Bitcoin, while adding the rider that such an outcome is far from certain. Ethereum's annual supply growth is capped, they said, aiding its credentials as a store of value. The chief executive of crypto broker Oasis Pro Markets said that Ethereum is starting to be viewed as a better growth story looking long term and going forward. Bitcoin was down 37% in May, which is one of its worst monthly retreats on record, while Ethereum only went down by 11%. 100%. This is huge as virtual currencies have been under pressure after Elon Musk criticized Bitcoin's energy profile, and also recent news have showed that China stepped up its regulatory rhetoric against Bitcoin in cryptocurrency. On the other hand, you have others saying that Bitcoin will fend off rivals to stay in the top spot. So you do have that camp of Bitcoin supporters that say that Bitcoin will remain the king of cryptocurrencies, such as the market analyst Edward Moya said that Bitcoin had too big of a lead for Ethereum to catch, and it has one major advantage. It has a fixed supply of only 21 million coins, which makes Bitcoin rare. If we look at the past year, Ethereum has increased its return by 900%, exceeding Bitcoin's 275% increase. Now, given these huge gains, there's still that debate among cryptocurrency investors saying who will be the king of cryptocurrency. Will it be Bitcoin or will it be Ethereum? Let me know what you think. Next, I would like to talk about the price of Bitcoin. The current price of Bitcoin is $36,400. And if we look in the past month, which is the month of May, we had a huge correction. It was as high as $59,115 at the beginning of May. And as you can see, its lowest point was May 23rd, when it dropped down to $31,248. From the low of May 23rd, we have seen a little bit of a rebound, but we are trading sideways on it now, around $35,000, $36,000. Looking at the year 2021, Bitcoin has had a very healthy increase of 24.85% return for year to date. It was quite much higher, however, the month of May really decreased its value. When we compare this to Ethereum currently is trading at $2,600, and going back 1 month, Ethereum actually broke the $4,000 mark and was as high as $4,300 on May 12th. And again on May 23rd was its lowest point, where it went down to $1,739. Ethereum's return year to date is an astonishing and amazing 248% growth. And that is looking at this 11% drop that it had in the month of May. If you compare that to Bitcoin's large 35% drop. So let me know, what do you think? Can Ethereum, that's currently trading at $2,611, catch up to Bitcoin's $36,400, and not only catch up but overtake it? Well, let's take a look at some predictions of these cryptocurrencies. According to some analysts out there, the Bitcoin price prediction for the next 10 years are shown on this chart. Currently, as you can see, as of today, June 1st, Bitcoin was trading at $36,392 at the time of this video. If we look at Bitcoin's 1-year prediction, we're looking at about an upside of 171%, that Bitcoin should be trading at $98,000 by June of 2022. If we go to 2025, we're trading at about $165,370, or a 354% return or increase on your money. And moving out to 10 years from now, analysts predict that Bitcoin will have a value of $161,991, which is 345% return on your money, which is incredible growth. The exact same analysts, when we look at Ethereum, for the 1-year Ethereum price prediction in the year 2022 is $7,845, which is a 202% return on your money in 1 year from now. Moving to the year 2025, the increase in revenue would be 275%, or the Ethereum price would be $9,726. And going out for 10 years, price prediction is $15,771, which is about 508% return on your money. According to this analyst, as you can see, Ethereum doesn't appear to be overtaking Bitcoin. Bitcoin, but there's still a lot more movement in these cryptocurrency, and Ethereum still does have that chance of catching up. But let me know what you think. Can Ethereum overtake Bitcoin to be the #1 cryptocurrency? Let me know down in the bottom. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope you appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up, put a smile on my face, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. If you click on the Webull link below and you deposit $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to Coinbase. You can also deposit $100 and it'll give you $10 of cryptocurrency for trading. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.